Well, we're trying cinematic. Hey, how you guys doing? This is Missy and Fabio. From where, Missy?
We did an open house today and we had a blast, and we just want to tell you all about it.
Oh, yes.
And we have our uniforms on. Nobody had this. He showed up and he goes, "Oh, did you get the dress code?" And I'm like, "Yes, apparently we did." So
this is a new uniform for Rio. So anyway.
But we had a fabulous 2-hour, turned out to be a 2.5-hour, a 3-hour open house. And we're in a neighborhood just off of Levels Road. So the price point was around 400. So traffic like crazy.
We're talking about maybe 15 family came over here. Everybody was enjoy the house because the setup, the staging, everything that you guys did, it was amazing.
We had a bunch of neighbors come through too, so that was nice to meet the neighbors. And neighbors are checking us out.
There's always going to be nowadays.
I think they're checking us out, not so much the house. And one of the neighbors, their son helped me draw pictures on my directional. So I mean, it was cool. It's a kid neighborhood, our children neighborhood. The kids are playing in the street. They're not on their iPhones sitting in front of the TV. So, but I wanted just to kind of go over real quick the preparation for a home. So if you're entertaining selling your house, you can't just do it in a week.
No,
especially if you lived in the house for 20 years, there's so much to do.
Tell me about it. Oh my gosh, even that you don't realize how many clothes do you have?
Yeah.
Or how much clothes do you have?
You have
everybody, because 20 years you just keep clothes and say, oh, I don't want to give it away,
right?
Stuff like that. So
right.
It takes some time.
So 20 years, single lady here, going through all her closets, all her boxes. So it was a team effort. So she did her thing, got through all her clothes, all her things that she did not want to keep. We helped her. Orion helped me get some stuff out, and then we had it painted. We had new light fixtures put in, as well as new carpet. And then Kristen was kind enough to do an amazing job staging for us. So the photography turned out beautiful, you guys. So that's part of it. That's like the marketing tool that you have to share.
Those minor things that you maybe don't realize. That's why we have a system. That's why we make it. That's for sure. We're going to get more money for our client.
Right.
Because there's a lot of people, they know they have to beat him. This is not really.
We already have 3 offers, and I'm sure after all these people leave today, quite a few people were represented, which is fine. A lot of the agents are spreading themselves a little thinner, and they may be from Northern Virginia. Where was that one guy from?
Springfield.
And there was another.
We have another one
that's
anyway,
but we
Chattanooga.
What?
Chattanooga?
That's Shenandoah, not Chattanooga.
Shenandoah.
I'm misinterpreter.
Yeah.
So anyway, but I think we have more agent representative buyers coming through without their agents. So we always make sure we're putting a QR code now for people to register. This has been amazing. Our lofty websites that we have now at Real, people can register. It drops them in that website, and then it keeps them updated on price points that are close to this one as well as this house. But anyway,
so realtors, use this.
Yeah,
it's going to make your life easier.
With all the changes that are coming down, you're going to have to work and have someone there with you, and they don't have to dress like you, but it really makes it nice.
Okay, they don't have to
dress
like you.
But anyway, it was fun. Fabio was greeting people at the door, and then I was kind of yakking my way through the people that were in the house. So don't do your home open houses alone. It's huge. Even if it's a lender or someone else is a part of the transaction that can be there to help you, because we had tons of people. I could have never done it by myself.
And anyway, sometimes it's boring by yourself too, as well. So, we have a good time. We make them happy.
Anyway, you guys, please don't wait. If we can help you and you think you're going to sell your house in the next 6 months, don't hesitate to reach out, because we have a system that works our way through it, that doesn't make it as crazy and as stressful, painful, when it gets down to the deadline.
Anyway, if you want a free consultation, please don't hesitate to call us.
Do you want to say in Spanish?
Hey, si tienes que quiere consultar algo, por favor, no dejes de llamarnos. Gratis.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.